The wise old tree. In a small village, there was a huge, ancient tree standing at the edge of a field. Its branches spread wide, giving shade to farmers, children, and travelers who rested under it. People loved the tree, but most never thought much about it. It was simply there. One summer, the village faced a terrible drought. The crops withered, the wells dried up, and people began to despair. The villagers gathered under the old tree to discuss what to do. Suddenly, they noticed its leaves were still green, and its roots seemed strong, even though everything else was dying. Curious, a little girl asked the tree, "Old tree, how do you stay alive when the sun is so cruel and the earth is so dry?" To everyone's surprise, the wise old tree spoke. "My roots go deep into the ground, where I find hidden streams of water. I do not depend only on what is on the surface. When the rains come, I take some water, but I also save my strength for times of struggle. That is how I survive." The villagers listened carefully. The tree continued, "You too must learn this. Do not depend only on what is easy to see or get. Save your resources, prepare for hard times, and most of all, stay strong inside. Just as my roots find life deep within the earth, your strength must come from deep within your hearts." The people went home, inspired. They began to work together, digging deeper wells, sharing water fairly, planting drought-resistant crops, and helping each other through the tough season. Slowly, the village recovered. From then on, whenever people faced hardships, they gathered under the old tree and remembered its wisdom. True strength comes not from what is outside, but from what we grow inside. Moral: prepare for challenges before they arrive, and in hard times, rely on inner strength, unity, and wisdom to survive.